What is up, you guys? I hope you all are doing swell and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Alexis. Definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. So this week, today is Monday, I'm going to show you guys what I wear to work. I work in a corporate setting. It's business casual. That's our dress code. Unless we have senior VPs or big meetings, then we have to wear business professional. But I've officially been in my job for 1 month and I work in corporate sales, and that kind of entails like a little bit of consulting, a little bit of logistics, a little bit of everything. But I work for one of the big 4 international companies. So if you want to see like my daily vlogs, I'll have a playlist linked down below. But I thought that it'd be really fun since I haven't done a fashion video in a very long time, and I thought that since I'm in this new transitional period, I can show you guys how I currently style my business casual outfits. Now, I actually filmed this morning, but I think that I was just kind of rushing, so I am going to try to film in the mornings my outfits, but if not, I'll just filming in the evening. Super casual, super cool. But I want to show you guys really quickly what I wore to work today. So this is what I wore to work today. I'm going to show you guys my makeup. I have a really natural eye on, just a little gold shimmer from my Huda beauty palette, natural makeup, my new lipstick from L'Oreal, and then I have these earrings on. I don't know if you guys can see too well, but these are the current earrings that I'm wearing, and this is my favorite necklace. The pendant is vintage and the chain is for my mom. And then for bracelet wise, the first one, the turquoise one that you guys see, is actually from Kendall, and the little gold one that you guys can see are from my friends in Majuri. My rings are pretty much the same. And then for the outfit, I'll try to have as many details as I can down below, but I've had stuff for a while, or I've just gotten it and it was just a spur of a moment, so I'll try to have everything listed if I can. But this is an old, like an OG sweater of mine. It's just a knit black and it's really cozy. I did put a black shell on underneath because it's a little see-through. And then for pants, I have my high-waisted, wide-legged, like gaucho pants, and I actually got these from tjmaxx, and I just love them. You can dress them up and dress them down, and they're perfect for still looking like business casual, but like a cute chic type. And then for shoes, I have my faux snakeskin boots on, super comfy. Wore these all yesterday and they didn't hurt my feet. Wore them all today, still didn't hurt my feet. So that is the outfit for today. And then also, in addition to my big coat that I wore today, I actually wore my faux sherpa skin jacket. Let me try it on real quick so you guys can see the full effect. So this is what I wore. This is my jacket. Like I said, it's a faux sherpa skin. I love matching like silver and gold details to what my clothes have. So if I wear a gold embellishment on my belt, then all of my jewelry would be gold. If I wear like a silver like jacket or belt as well, or my shoes, jewelry will be silver. So this is the coat. It's super toasty and warm, but it's raining really hard in Memphis, as well as it's just cold. So when I got into the office, I put this on, but when I got there, I just wore my big heavy winter coat. But yeah, that is my outfit for the day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey you guys, it is Tuesday, so I thought I would show you guys the outfit that I wore to work today. I'm gonna start off with my makeup and hair. I decided to pull my hair half up, half down, just to get it out of my face for today. For makeup, I have a very natural face with a bold lip like yesterday. All of my jewelry is the same except for this ring, this bracelet, and my earrings are different. And so for my jacket, I love this because it just creates a little waistline and it also keeps me cozy at work. But it's just a khaki jacket. It doesn't have a hood on it. It just has a really nice collar. And then I also really like these little bronze detailing that is on it. For my shirt, I don't know if you guys can see it too well, but it's just a seafoam green quarter length sleeve top, and it has like sleeves that kind of raise up a little bit and the bottom crisscrosses. But this is how I wore it today, so I'm going to show you guys the way I wore it today. For pants, I have these dark navy pants on. They're really comfy. I've had them for quite some time, but they're just super comfy. I like them because they're very versatile and they go with a lot of stuff. And I also feel like with slacks, sometimes when you wear them throughout the day, they get really loose, but these don't get loose, so I really like them a lot. And then for my shoes, I just have my black Steve Madden pointed toe leather shoes on. These are super cute because they have like a little silver detailing at the very top that's like a zipper. That is the outfit that I wore for work today. Now see you guys tomorrow. What is up, you guys? It is Wednesday and this is what I wore to work today. I'm just now getting back in. Had to go to Target, return my Keurig, and then I ended up buying some stuff. But this is the outfit that I wore today. I will actually have some of these jewelry pieces linked down below because these were gifted by my friends at Majuri. So these little earrings, my Pisces necklace, as well as this gold bracelet that's kind of stacked, and my crescent ring. But I have a very natural face on as well today, and since this is such kind of like a plain necklace, I decided to stack it with one of my more busy necklaces. For my sweater, it's a cashmere sweater and it has gold detailing on it, and since it had like gold and a little bit of silver in my jewelry and, you know, just accessories, I decided to put on this gold oversized cardigan. I like it because it has billowy sleeves. And then for my pants, I have my Beetlejuice pants on, and I just like these. I don't get a lot of use out of them, but it's super cold in Memphis, so I decided to plop these on. And then for shoes, I have my black leather Steve Madden boots. I also have like a little black belt on just to tie it all in. So that is my outfit for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. What is up, you guys? It is Thursday, so I'm going to show you guys my outfit for today. I'm about to head to our holiday Christmas party, so I dressed up a little bit. We got to go home early, so I thought I'd show you guys my outfit. So this is the makeup look, and I never do eyeliner, and I'm really glad with the way it turned out. I pulled my hair up in a ponytail, and this is the jewelry that I'm wearing. For my jumpsuit and my shoes, this is a jumpsuit that I saw off of Free People, had at Target, so I was like, why not get it? It's in a size 2, and I really like it because I feel like it just creates, like, it looks good on my hips, it's got my waist snatched, and it just looks really good. And then for shoes, I have my little Asian printed shoes, so super cute. And then for my jacket, I have my faux fur jacket that matches my shoes. So that is the outfit that I'm wearing for today. Hopefully I win some gifts. I'll keep you guys updated. But I'm about to head out to the holiday party. What's up, you guys? It is Friday and it is the final day of me showing you guys what I wear in a week. So I'm gonna show you guys the outfit that I wore today. I just got back home. I need to go by Target and pick up some last minute things for gifts. And then I went by Kendall's and dropped off a boba tea before they headed out of town tonight. So that's what I've been up to. But I decided to wear my hair like I did yesterday to the party, just in a ponytail with these 2 little pieces down, and then very light and natural makeup. I only have my own mascara, and I put some Huda Beauty like glitter on my eyes, and I have a lip on. For earrings, I have my little Jessica Simpson earrings on and my Majuri necklace, as well as ring right here and my Majuri bracelet. And then for this hand, same old. And then for my outfit, sorry, I got my purse and stuff back there, but I got this sweater in a Christmas gift a long time ago from one of my great aunts. And if I show you guys, like, take it out from tucked, it looks very awkward, but it's a really nice, like, well-made turtleneck. It's just the back and stuff is kind of billowy and flowy. So I found out that the way to like properly wear this is to tuck it into some pants. So I like it because it has the gold detailing, so I decided to wear gold jewelry for today. But I tucked it in with my vintage fossil belt, so I had it like this at work. And then for pants, I just have these dark gray pants on, and I also don't really like wearing these to work because they look like leggings a little bit, even though they are slacks. But with this outfit, they turned out to be very cute. For shoes, I have my pointed toe boots on. These are my new pointed toe boots. So they're really comfy and super easy to walk in. But that is it for this what I wear in a week, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you do all the fun stuff like give it a big old like and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Turn on the bell notifications, all that fun stuff. That's my goals and all the video ideas I have planned. So don't mind the chaos in the back. The door is usually closed, but I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys. you.